Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2017 Ford Focus RS we have new in stock. This particular RS is finished in the shadow black metallic paint, and you've got a few optional features added from the factory. To begin with some of the exterior features you get, you've got the optional 19-inch black painted alloy wheels. You can see your standard blue painted brake calipers behind. You've got privacy glass, which is part of your luxury pack inclusions. That also gets you the power folding door mirrors, the rear park distance sensors, and cruise control and the keyless entry system. You've got your LED tail lights and your LED daytime running lights at the front as some of your standard inclusions, and some of the RS body styling being shown here. You've got the Recaro trimmed front seats here with the contrast blue stitching and the RS badging. You've also got your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel with the RS badging and the contrast blue stitching continuing. Access to your cruise control functions from here, which are part of your luxury pack as explained. You've also got your gear stick with the continuation of the blue trim and the contrast blue stitching on the gear gaiter. Some of your dynamic driving modes accessible from here as well. Further up the dash you've got your climate control functions and your infotainment controls. You've also got access to your digital radio through the center screen, as well as your reversing camera, which is also an optional inclusion. Lastly, you've got the Ford Sync 3 with the 10 Sony speakers. You can see the speakers for them on the door card here. If you would like any more information on this 2017 Ford Focus RS, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.